Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gan of Python. In the last tutorial, we have covered how to insert the image on your web page, and we have looked some more tags also. So guys, if you have not seen that video, please go and check that one, how to insert the image on your web page. So in this tutorial, we will start some more tags. Okay, so how we can insert the tags on your web page. So let's get started guys. First of all, we will make one page, and for that we will give one route. So app dot route will give simply slash. Okay, slash. Okay, then we'll define one function. Simply we'll make the home. Okay, then inside this one we will return render template. Okay, render, we will make one render template, that is bank.html. Okay, see, this is the name, that is bank.html. okay, so after that we'll make one more page, app dot route. Okay, and in this we'll give the login page. Okay, and we'll define one function, that is login. We can give any name. Okay, and simply we'll return, let's say, welcome. Okay, now we'll go to our HTML file. We have made two pages, that is, one is this one, home, and second is login. Okay, we'll go to the bank. We'll see the function, the tag, that is form. How this form tag will work. This form tag, we need to put the input type inside this form tag. For that we are using this form tag. Okay, and action, inside this action, if in this page, home page, if you click the submit button, it will automatically go to the second page. If you want to do like this, so you have to give the URL for the second page, that is, we will give the URL for the login page. Okay, URL for this login page. So what is the URL? That is slash login. Okay, done. Then we will create one simple input function. We will give, first of all, we'll give label. For the, if you want to give label, that for that you need to call the tag, that is label. Okay, so label for, then let's say we have to put the email, and let's say email and password you need to put. Okay, so for that you just give the label, that is, let's say, email. Okay, I will put here username. Okay, this you have to give simply for what you are using this label, and this user will display on your web page. Okay, so next we will put the input type. Okay, what will be the input type? We have two input type, that is text, that is we have much more input types. Okay, so we will see the two types, that is text and radio. We will see in the next tutorial guys. So for this in this tutorial we will see the text, how this text type will work. Okay, then we have to give the name. So inside this name we can give this one email, or we can give username. Then after that we have to give the label for the password. So we can give here PWS, that is password, and what we have to display on the web page, that is password. Simply we can give the double colon here as well, and we will give the break line. I have already made a video on break line, please go and check that one, how this break line will work. We will give two break line in this. Okay, then we will make a input function for the input type for the password. Okay, then we'll put the name. What will be the name? That is password. Okay, so simply after that, if you want to put the submit button, then if you want to submit this form, let's say we are creating one form and you want to submit that one, just create the type, that is submit, and give the value, that is login. It will show on your web page. Okay, so we'll save this file. Then we will we will run, we will save this one, then we will run this one, run producer, then we will hit this URL. See guys, this username and password, it came over here. So see the login, we can give the break line over here. Okay, so we will go on our this PyCharm HTML file, then we can give the break line here. Break line, we'll give 3 break line. Okay, so we'll save this file, then we will go one more time on your URL, we will refresh this one. See the login, it's came down. Okay, if you put, let's say, my ID and password. Okay, once you will log in this page, see it automatically came to the next page, that is welcome. We have made that one over here. See in this, once you will log in to this page, it will automatically come to the next page, that is, and it will show the welcome. So like this action function will work. Once you will hit this one, once you will submit this form, then it will directly go to your next page. Okay, so like this action, this input, this label tags will work, guys. Hope this will make sense. In the next tutorial we will see some more tags. So thank you guys.